What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, guess where I am? I'm outside Five Below again, and I see lots and lots of Halloween items, brand new Halloween items that I can't wait to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and head in. Wow, look you guys, they have the new lip smackers. These are the Dia de los Muertos lip smackers. This is my first time seeing these. I want to say they're $4. I'm not sure because I don't see a price tag here. But look at this. We have pan dulce, we have sweetbread. We also have hot chocolate. Oh wow, these are so pretty. And then I see one here in the back. And this is cinnamon churro. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love churros so much. Wow, these are really beautiful, and we get 0.26 ounces. So pretty. They have lots of new things out since I was in here last week. Look you guys, they have the $1 to $3 rounder. They have this whole wall over here. Of course, they have this whole display here. We'll check and see if there's anything new. And then I'm seeing cute little Halloween themed Beanie Boos that are brand new as well. Okay, you guys, let's go ahead and start over here. Oh wow, these are new. So last week, Jack Skellington was here, but these Deadpool masks are brand new. Those are new this week, and also Black Panther. And it does have ears. Ooh, I really like that. I was telling Bunny about some of these shirts, and he is really interested in the Thriller shirt. He also really likes this Jack Skellington shirt. So when he comes in, I'm probably gonna have him try that on, or I'm gonna hold it up to him. And look you guys, some of these makeup brushes and palettes are new. Ooh, this is so pretty, look at that. I love the Holo packaging too. Wow, these are super pretty for $5. And they also have this one over here that looks kind of like a black unicorn horn. Oh, those are so nice. These are called the Mystical Cosmetic Brushes. And then Wet n Wild has made their way up front. You guys know Five Below always carries Wet n Wild products. But they have this highlighter here for $3.99, and it's limited edition. And then we have some other palettes. If you guys saw my most recent Walgreens shop with me, then you've seen some of these items in Walgreens because they have a similar display with lots of Halloween palettes and also the backsplash here with makeup ideas. These are the multi-sticks, perfect for painting on your face, doing whiskers, doing various things. They have it in white and also in sort of a reddish burgundy. These are just $3. Ooh, I really like these. This is reminding me of something that I've seen before. Look at that shimmer. That is so gorgeous. These are super pretty, you guys. Oh wow, look at this one. This one is matte. Wow, these are so pretty. They have one in the back called Outlaw. Look at that purple. This is a brand new palette this week, and it's called Glitter Obsessed, and it looks like we get a lot of shades for just $5. Look at this, we have more things. We have some pretty new nails by Pretty Woman with the unicorns on them. Wow, these are so pretty. We get 24 nails for $4. They are gorgeous. I'm really loving all of them. They put some of the new polishes up here by Midnight Glam, and also they put in the As Seen on TV chroma lights in metallic red, metallic fuchsia. Let's see if there's any other colors. I think just the red and the fuchsia. And then look at this, you guys. Colored mascara in blue, purple, and green for just $5. Super cute. And a whole box of lashes for $5. We get 6 pair of natural lashes with eyelash glue. I think some of these are new this week. Okay, here's the Michael Jackson shirt, the Thriller shirt. This is the one I want to get. No, you guys, I did not make this mess over here. I think some of these Deadpool shirts are new. Deadpool is new this week. There's also a Frankenstein and an Avengers shirt. Again, more of the beanies. I'm over here at the $1 to $3 bin now, and I just wanted to check some of these things out. I know Birdy will be all over these when she comes in. She loves all the squeezy things, but so do I. They have coloring books, Vampira coloring books. They also have Paw Patrol, and these are all by the brand Bendon. $1, what are these? This is like a little Halloween decor bag. It looks like pencil toppers, rings, little bats, a little skeleton. They also have the crime scene tape. The play packs for $1. What else? I think this is slime, or is it bubbles? I'm not sure. Maybe bubbles. And then they have the $2 Fun Flasher bracelets. Ooh, I just saw some kind of like this over at Dollar Tree with sort of the light skin tone and the red nails. But these ones are so cute. Look at this. I like those. And these creepy glasses. And they have the arm stickers for $1. The bandanas are $2. The clown. And what's this one? Like a monster. And then there's some more gel clings over here. Looks like I found where the bandanas are supposed to go. There's also that clown. Maybe it's the same one that I showed. Yeah, I think it's the same one. Let's see if this one's any different. And I have this one. Okay, let's see what else they have. Let's come over here. I really want to look at some of the unicorn costume things. Oh, look at this, you guys. $5 for this unicorn mask. They have a rainbow tutu. This is the last unicorn shirt. The kitty kit, the shark mask. I've been seeing these everywhere this year, and I really love these. I think they're so cute, whether they be for Halloween or just every day. Like, if you can pull this look off, I say go for it. That is so cute. And the earmuffs. Gator always called these ear muffins when he was little. You guys like the ear muffins? Muffins for your ears. Unicorns are real. This is a brand new shirt this week. And then we have some wigs. Blonde, red, turquoise, a light purple, a clown wig, and some glow masks for just $1. If you just can't decide what you want to be, but you need something, these are just $1. And this shirt glows in the dark. I didn't know that. I think I saw it last week and I didn't know that it was a glow in the dark shirt. And a bone tutu. Look at that, a bone tutu. You guys see the bones? It's like really satiny underneath. And then they have some little lights and lanterns and flashlights, and I think they're all LED. Ooh, these are pretty. These are the double wall insulated tumblers by Cool Gear, and most of them are Day of the Dead themed. Ooh, look at the rose one. I really like the rose one. Nice. I really like the Cool Gear brand. I feel like it's a good quality brand. They have a Halloween headband and another one. If you guys like the gory look, the tuxedo shirts. Oh, and this set of face paint is only $4. I think Birdy's gonna be a clown, like a pretty clown for Halloween. These are just $1. Glitter face art. These are $2. $1. And these are also one. Look at all this new stuff. I just found even more. This is all like alien invasion themed. We have a cosmic tutu down here that I really love. They have the Holo leggings. I'm sure Birdy is going to be interested in these. We actually have something very similar to those at home, but she might like these when she comes in. Ooh, and what's this? They have some new shirts. Poop and unicorns. This is a $4 Time to Sparkle set, and it comes with the primer. A new disco holographic stick here. I think these are kind of like dupes for Milk, the brand Milk. And then we have big bags of face and body sparkle for $4. And some really nice fishnet tights with stars and some black ones with rhinestones. Ooh, what's this? Glitter Cosmic Hair Kit. I love the packaging. This is $5. I think they belong down here. And I think there's another one down here too. And then there's this one. It says it's a UV glow hair kit. Colored gel in daylight, UV glow in black light. A bob wig that glows in the dark. This headband. And this jewelry here. I'm going to save this next aisle for my next video in here that's not Halloween themed. This is more new fall loungewear, and they have more sleep masks. So if you guys enjoyed this shop with me, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button to subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.